Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to greet a warmest welcome to the Raya Celebration 2025, a celebration of unity, leadership and partnership co-hosted by the King's Park Genting Highlands, the Malaysian Franchise Association and the Malaysia Digital Chamber of Commerce together with Asean Records.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera, and a very good evening to everyone. And on behalf of King's Park Genting Highlands, I would like to warmly welcome you all to today's MAJLIS JALINAN Raya, a celebration of unity, leadership and partnership. We are proud to co-host this meaningful event alongside three esteemed organizations. As we gather to celebrate Hari Raya, we are also here to explore exciting new opportunities together, beginning with the future of Genting Highlands, King's Park. So King's Park is not just a development, so it's basically a smart and also sustainable township aligned with global ESG goals.
Allow me to extend a million thanks to King's Park Sales Gallery to host these Raya celebrations. Your generous support and truly make these Raya celebrations more meaningful and memorable for all of us.
Tuan-tuan, majlis dengan serohnya mengumumkan ketibaan His Highness Prince Sulaiman Shah Yang Mulia Tengku
This is totally different developments. This represents future will be the unique touching point, absorber point in Genting Highlands. In conjunction with these Raya celebrations, we believe that this collaboration is just the beginning. Together, we look forward to explore many more opportunities with different associations, partners, and organizers.